Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Tifa's new album is finally here. Tifa's debut album titled Corrigoat and Champagne will be her first full-length project after being in the music industry for over a decade. As the name suggests, Corrigoat represents the Jamaican flavor of the album, while Champagne is the international side that includes a mixture of trap, EDM and R&B type music. Tifa noted that the album comprises mainly current releases and the content is a fusion of all genres except country and western. The double-disc album includes Tifa's Dancehall Queen that is dedicated to all the females in the industry, Waistline produced by Sly and Robbie, and the single J.A. Party produced by Christopher Birch, which was released this year. Tifa is slated to perform over the weekend at the West Indian Social Club and the West Indian Day Parade in Connecticut before flying back to Jamaica to perform at the Jamaica International Beauty Expo at the Montego Bay Convention Center on Sunday. Congrats on the new album, Tifa.
It's music, my calling. Should I go, should I stay? No styling, I don't know.
Singer and model Samantha J was badly injured when she fell down a flight of stairs at a hotel off the mainland of Belize recently. The singer sustained injuries to her upper body, including a few broken teeth and jaw, a fractured hand, and a swollen lower back on the left side. The singer noted that in addition to the surgery she has to do in her jaw, her arm has to be placed in a cast temporarily. There is much uncertainty surrounding the length of the time she will need to recuperate. Samantha J went to Belize to perform at events during the Belize's biggest cultural festival, the Costa Maya Festival. Get well soon. In news overseas, after several release date changes, Nicki Minaj's fourth studio album is finally here. Queen is out now via Young Money Cashman Republic and is a follow-up to her 2014 album, The Pink Print. Tracks on the album includes her hit single Chun-Li and Bed featuring Ariana Grande. There are also guest appearances from Foxy Brown, Eminem, The Weeknd, Sway Lee and others. On Barbie Dreams, a Biggie Flip, that's an update to the similar track titled Dreams, she released over a decade ago. She's dissing numerous rappers including Meek Mill, Drake, Designer, Young Thug and more. On Inspiration's outro, she shouts out many people who have inspired her, including Lauryn Hill, many dancehall artists, as well as reggae icon Bob Marley and others. Producers on the album include Murder Beats, Metro Booming, Michael Made It, and more. Nicki Minaj's new release piggybacks on her new Queen radio show on Apple Music's Beats One, which went live yesterday. Queen Radio joins a number of artists getting their own show on the Apple Music platform, including Frank Ocean, Travis Scott, The Weeknd, Drake, and DJ Khaled. Nicki Minaj is set to perform at the 2018 Video Music Awards from a surprise remote location in New York on August 20. And before we go, E-Prime would like to give a special congratulations to singer Danique, who welcomed her baby boy Connor Dash Mullings on Wednesday. Congrats on the new bundle of joy. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.